another side hustle?
Here's a six-figure side hustle you can start today for free. Let me show you. First, you're going to go to Digital 24, then you're going to click register.
I'm about to show you guys how to get free food from Taco Bell. Hello, can I get the nacho fries, the Bel Grande?
Nacho fries, Bel Grande?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the car behind me said they're gonna pay for me.
I'm sorry?
The car behind me said they're gonna pay for me.
Oh, the car is behind you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Would you like any hot sauce?
No, thank you.
No hot sauce?
Guys, the car behind me does not even know that. It's a random person. Free food.
Is the car behind you paying for you?
Yeah, the car behind me is paying for me. It's my friend. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Finesse, finesse. Looking confused. Let's go. Taco Bell. That's Taco Bell hacks, guys. Let's leave.
Hi, my name is Nathan, and I do not approve of that food TikTok on how to get free food from Taco Bell or any other food establishment at that fact. But did it get your attention, though? With that being said, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. On Here in Your Come Up, we talk about all topics to help you come up. Business, finance, personal, spiritual, and physical. And today's topic is, we're going to be looking at some TikToks that will show you how to make some money and put some more green in your pockets, if you decide to go with it and stick with it. And I'll also be giving a little breakdown if need be. With that being said, let's get to it. Now, this is a TikTok that had no idea that this would work on how to get free food, but let's check it out.
This is how I get free food all year round, and it's super easy. Step 1, I downloaded a ton of food apps. Literally every single one I could think of. If I missed any, please let me know. Step number 2, I spread my birthdays at each restaurant throughout the entire year, and I keep track of it all on one sheet. Step number 3, just cash in your free birthday food. It's pretty simple. Some places will do a free dessert. Some places do a free drink, and some do food. You're wasting money not doing this. It's so easy.
Okay, 1, that guy is onto something. 2, has anyone done that? I don't think I've even downloaded an app other than a Starbucks app for free points or for points whenever you purchase a coffee, and then you get a free cup of coffee even after accumulating a certain amount of points. This is a cool idea, and it explains why this TikTok got over 4 million views and probably still counting at this point. This guy is onto something. It's work, but every day keeping track, and plus, what food app checks and verifies your birthday on your email? That's I think it's cool. Let's go on to the next video.
How to make an easy $200 in only 2 hours.
The first thing you need to do is look up market research facilities in your area. My favorite market research facility is PVR. There's also another one called Jackson Associates. Today they had a market research on Organic Girl. We basically talked about salads for 2 hours, and at the end of the market research program, they gave us gift cards. These gift cards can range anywhere from $100 to $200, and sometimes they even let you do taste tests.
Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm not one to go and sit in a room of field study with people and get paid for that. It's just, I don't know, it's just not me. I'm more of a let's go to the bar and drink kind of guy. But that's some vices. Keep in mind, these TikToks are just going to generate different ideas and avenues and generate some of your influential creative juices to go out, because there's money out there to be made. And I mean, it's interesting, 200 bucks in 2 hours, potentially. If this is in your city, it might be worth a look. But for me, nah, I'll pass. But comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. Let's go on to the next video.
Why do rich people borrow money to buy a house when they already have the money? Why wouldn't you do it? Every millionaire uses this trick. Wait, what do you mean? Isn't getting in debt bad? Not all debt is bad. If you get a loan at 5% interest, but you invest that money into something which gives you 10% interest every year, then you're basically making free money. Yep, and that's why leverage is the key to growing wealth if used correctly. I'm gonna follow you right now to learn more stuff like this.
Did you know that? I had an idea. My uncle, who's in the real estate business, told me when I used to work for him in college, I'm like, well, if people have cash to buy a property, why get into debt and just pay for the property cash? And he explained this to me, but I didn't understand at that time. You know, he would take out a loan, I don't know, it'd be 3, 4, 5% interest rate, keep that capital in an index fund, let's say a S&P 500 index fund, which averages about 9 to 10% annually. You got to ride the highs and lows, but annually it averages a rate of return of that. and whether it's SWPPX or Vanguard, whatever S&P 500 index you would do, and let the renter pay down that property. It's pretty simple. Apparently on TikTok, the viewership on that is young, youthful, should I say. So that explains why that video got well over 1 million views. It makes perfect sense. But anyways, what are you guys' thoughts on it? That being said, let's go on to the next video.
Here's another side hustle I bet you didn't know existed. Step 1, create a YouTube account. Go to audio library, download relaxing music, go to pexels.com, download free rain videos, use iMovie to combine them, look at what keywords the competitions use, and post them.
All right, so during the pandemic, I decided to start a YouTube channel along with everyone else and their grandmother, and perhaps I will go more into that in a separate video. But one of the fears that some people may have when starting a YouTube channel is I don't want to show my face on there. So this is a really cool way to not show your face and to potentially earn some extra income, because with YouTube, in order to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And when we had our newborn child at the time, my wife at the time did find like soothing rain music on YouTube to play so our child can go to sleep and maybe get an extra 20 or 30 minutes of nap time in there and relaxation, you know? So this is a creative way to download pictures, download audio, non-copyrighted free music, soothing music with raindrop background, and use iMovie to compile and drag the sound file into that. That's a really cool way. Another really cool way that I've seen, and this I want to thank our today's sponsor of the video, Yapix Web Design and Graphics and Rated Comics, for allowing me to film in their comic book location. I did see a comic book YouTube channel where they use pages from the comic book and they put background music depending on the story of the comic book, whether it's romance, horror, action, compelling, classical, and they just panned each page with no words or text just so you can read the comic book with music in the background to give it life based on what you're reading. No words, no face, and that channel is making money off of it. So yeah, there's different ways to not show your face and make money off of YouTube. Or it doesn't have to be soothing music. It could be romantic music. It could be party music, you know, just, it'll take some time, because it took me close to a year, about a year, to get monetized on YouTube. Some people are longer, some people are shorter, different strokes for different folks. But if you want to add YouTube monetization to your portfolio, why not? With that being said, let's get into the next video.
Here's a 6-figure side hustle you can start today for free. Let me show you. First, you want to go to Digistore 24. Then you're going to click register now. Once you're all signed up, you're going to click marketplace. They have a bunch of different categories, but we're going to go with personal development. Came across this vibrational meditation course, and it earns up to $68 per commission. You'll click promote now and get a link that's unique to you. Then you're going to go to pexels.com, search meditation, and you can grab a picture just like this that you can use for free. Then you're going to go over to Pinterest. Then you're going to hit create pin. You're going to title the pin with keywords related to your product. And here where it says add a destination link, you're going to post your link that's unique to you right there. If someone clicks on that pin and makes a purchase, you get paid that $68 commission. This is called affiliate marketing, and it's easily the best way for beginners to get started earning money online.
Okay, I will say this first and foremost, I have no idea how to use Pinterest, never used Pinterest, but that's a really cool hustle idea. Affiliate marketing, I put affiliate links in the description of my YouTube videos for the equipment I use. And also, you know, if you guys didn't know, I'm an author of 4 books, linked in the description right here. Those are links that go back to me and, you know, providing valuable content. And then also, if a conversion happens with those affiliate links, given the niche, well, why not make a little extra money? So that's a very awesome way to make extra money as an affiliate marketer. And you could do that as a side hustle while doing your day job, and it provides that main income to pay your bills. And this, you could do this in the evening, nighttime, weekends, whatever the case may be, to, you know, build up that seed. Because with side hustles, you're planting seeds, and eventually when you plant enough seeds, you'll eventually have a forest. That's the way I look at it. So awesome way. If you find that valuable, hit the like button. And hey, don't forget to subscribe too, because I'll love to do more TikToks and make you more money videos down the line. Let's go into the last and final video. And this one is real estate. related.
College don't teach you how to make $42,000 in 15 days, so I'm gonna show you. The best part is I'm gonna show you how to do it using none of your own cash or credit. Drive around your city and look for rundown houses. When you found one, take down the property address. Then you're gonna go to this website to skip trace the address to find the owner phone number. Call them up and make an offer to buy their property. My name is Kong. I work with a group of investors and we're looking to buy some properties in the area for cash and just wanna know if you're interested in selling that property on Main Street. Once you got the property locked up in a contract, now we're gonna find somebody else that's willing to buy the property for more than what we got under contract for, and we're just gonna sign the contract over to them for a profit. So we're not buying the property or fixing the property up. Here are some sites that you can go to find the buyer. Once you found the buyer, you're just gonna take both contracts, send it to the title company, they will do the rest of the work, and they will get you paid. This strategy is called wholesaling real estate. Like and follow, and let's go get this money.
I actually do like that content creator, especially when he ends his reels or TikToks where let's go get this money. I didn't know, not you, Alexa. I don't know if you guys heard Alexa in the background. I had no idea about wholesale real estate, and this is very interesting to me, very new. Is this something I do personally? No, I have other avenues of streams of income that I'm working on, building on, because there's so many different streams of income to do that you can do. You just have to pick what's comfortable, what suits you, and what you do best. The purpose of this video is to hopefully generate some creative juices, inspirational juices for you to, or if you're aware of these or not, to go out, plant your seeds, and eventually you'll have a forest. And these are TikToks that'll make you money if you decide to do them and stick with them. Obviously, individual successes will vary. If you like more content like this, let me know, and I'll definitely do another TikTok video of how to put more money in your pocket, or TikToks that went viral. By the way, that wholesale real estate video, TikTok, I believe that got over 5 or 6 million views. I mean, it got over 546,000 likes. It went super viral on TikTok. So if you found value, when you find value in this content, you know what to do. Don't be shy and don't be stingy. Hit the subscribe button, like and follow. And also, I'm an author of 4 books. I also wrote a book, Additional Ways to Earn More That They Don't Teach You, to put more income in your pocket. That's not covered in this video as well. So, and other books as well. So link in description. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.